process, that is Gandha Velichenna only. So it can be used internally. Usually the pure form of Gandha Velichenna can be used both internally as well as externally. Now we are adding Paranthi Pushpa too. So the properties of Paranthi Pushpa will be also incorporated into this Gandha Velichenna. So we know Paranthi Pushpa is actually very Vagnya. So along with this Varnya, Tvachya and Vishahara, all these properties are there for Paranthi. In Parantyadi Keram and Parantyadi Thailam and all, we use in Vishahara properties are all there. But in that Thaila and all, Paranthi root is being used. But today we are using Paranthi Pushpa, so that one Egamulika Prayoga you can see. And this can be used as baby oil and all. And even this can be used for applying in head oils. That is, the ingredients will be Paranthi Pushpa and coconut milk only. From that we will be extracting the oil, coconut oil. Next one is Agni Dagdahara labor. Actually this is a labor which is being coined by our department only. I think ingredients sir has already mentioned and you people have seen there, no? Along with that we are adding Yashoda Basma also. Yashoda Basma actually it is Kashaya Rasa. Hence it is having more Robana property and the oozing from Renas. This can be withdrawn by this Basma also. And it helps in growth of granulation tissues, thereby enhancing the healing of Renas. Next one is Cheruvalli Kaniram. I think you have seen in today's scenic walk. So in that, along with Gyanspara, Redis Varasa, Shalmali Kandaga Kalka. Shalmali Kandaga already we are using in this Yavana Pedaga and all. Its labor is being used. Along with that, Gairigam is also being added. Gairiga, you know, Kavi Manna in Malayalam. So it is having this Shida Virya and it's also having Kashaya Rasa. Along with that, it is having a property of Kandu Haratva. This Cheruvalli Kaniram is also being used for fungal infections and so while adding this Gairigam and Shalmali Kandaga along with this Cheruvalli Kaniram Swarasa, this can be used for different sorts of fungal infections, both not for internal, only for external use we can use. Next one is Sri Ragna Modaga. Sri Ragna Modaga, actually this is taken from an obscure publication that is it is not available now. That text is known as Lengabeshija Manimala. I think in Tripunthara College, Government Ayurveda College, Tripunthara, its copy is there. Rest I don't know from where we can get it. So the ingredients are Madhuka Pushpa, Kharjura, Kadali, Mudga, Tvak, Patra, Ela, Pippali. These are the ingredients. It's a form of Modaga preparation. Actually, it is being indicated in Kashya, which is occurring in Prameha in children. So we can take this for as a weaning food or as a nutraceutical for giving in children and also for low birth weight babies and all. These ingredients, actually the preparation which is being mentioned in classics is like Modaga preparation only. All things should be powdered or ground and to this honey should be mixed with and this can be rolled into 12 gram Modaga size and this can be given. But actually when we have done this, that was not much palatable for the children and it didn't have that much shelf life also. So here we in Ashtagam we made this into granule form. By drying all these things and we powdered it and to that we add Ghanda Sharkara, that is like Haridra Ghanda preparations, no? Similarly in water or in milk we can take. Today we are doing in water only. To that Ghanda Sharkara is being added and Paga is done. To this powdered form is added and mixed. So these are the 4 preparations we are doing. This is the juice of Paranthi Pushpa. Actually, taking juice of Paranthi Pushpa is a bit difficult. So we added coconut milk to it and mixed it. അങ്ങനെ എടുത്തിട്ടില്ല, ഒരുമിച്ച് കാലങ്ങ എടുത്തതേ ഉള്ളൂ. ആദ്യം ആഡ് ചെയ്തത് കോക്കനട്ട് മിൽക്കായിട്ട് എടുത്തതാണ്. ഇതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ തെച്ചിപ്പൂവിൻ്റെ നീര് കിട്ടാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ തേങ്ങാപ്പാൽ തന്നെ ഒഴിച്ചടിച്ചിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ നീര് എക്സ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യും. ഈ സിമിലർ വേ വി ക്യാൻ യൂസ് ഹരിദ്ര and that can be given even internally and as well as externally. And this Dendapalano we can use, that's also good for psoriasis and also. Then another drug, Akkarakulli, Parapuvan. Have you seen that drug today? Shaile
The white colored flowers that happens on the stalks, small.
Ma'am, what would be the ratio of this is actually taken in 1:4. This is Swarasa and 4 parts of coconut milk. Actually, there is no such ratio for preparing vendor velichana because we can't predict the yield of this thing, because depending upon the quality of the coconut milk only, the yield will be better.
Excellent directory. बीबी तकी बेलरिका. I always get confused with BB taki and Hari taki's plant. Oh no, fruit I understand.
Okay, plants. You mean a tree?
Tree. I get confused. And this one?
Vacha.
Vacha? Oh, Vacha.
What is the scientific name?
Acarus colamus. Vacha. Very strong Narvine tonic. Smells like urine. Very pungent. I think it's very good for depression patients. Stimulant, strong narval stimulant.
Goat urine is a smell.
Padola.
What is the scientific name?
But Sanskrit name
Huh?
Cucurbitaceae family.
Cucurbitaceae family? It's called Patola.
Ma'am को पता है.
That will be like this one, na? The Patola is like the fruit. Oh, wild variety twine. Oh. So nice. White sandalwood. Little smell is there.
Dry in nature.
This is Rasam.
Smell. Ginger जैसा होता है.
हाँ.
देना वो.
Very hot.
This is
Kachola. Malayalam.
and utilized for
Migraine headaches.
Everything Sanskrit sounds around as kachola.
opening.
Very aromatic smell it is having.
It's used in headaches. It's very effective.
But what is the dosage?
किसी को पूछेगा.
We know only single drug usage. Then came under such yoga, sadhana. We don't know.
Fungus is there. There is one.
കുറച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതിലിങ്ങനെ ഒരു പൊടി വരും. ഇത് അധികം കുറേശ്ശെ തന്നെ
They
കൊണ്ടുവരും.
will clean it and dry it.
Huh.
Then can be stored for like over a year. I mean, like 1 year and all. We can
After
store
that
it.
they have to discard.
By the time we will use it.
ഇതിങ്ങനെ ചില കുറേ കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ
Less than 1 year.
Less than 1 year.
It's
Stira. Stira.
Sthira.
Shalabarni, Krishnabarni.
Oh.
This is
Actually, we can
Shalabarni.
find
So
out.
the Dashamula is one of the constituents, no?
जीवनीय गाना बोला था ना वो जीवनीय गाना में
This is Sthira.
Yeah, it's Stira.
All the Panchangas on the only the stem.
Only the stem.
स्टेम है ना मैम स्टेम स्टेम ही है
We can find it here. Yeah. We call it Kuvala.
क्या
Bilva.
Bilva.
एगले
Ah, I
मार
got it.
Yes.
बिल्वा 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 पत्र
Remove the paper.
बेल गाছের গাছ
उसका तो यूजफुल पार्ट होता है ना
मेघ
No, Jadika.
it's not meg, not meg.
Jadi. Jadi.
क्या जाति
Not meg. Jaifal. Jaifal.
Stira.
Sthira.
It's the Movila and Orilla variety. Orilla means one leaf.
उस फिर उसमें कृष्ण बरनी कौन सी
Krishnabarni means one leaf. Krishna means one and it is Orilla. And Stira it is of Shalabarni. It is Movila.
3 leaves.
3 leaves are there.
ये शालपति
This is Movila. Orilla.
Orilla. One leaf.
कृष्ण बरनी और वो छोटा वाला था तीन वाला वो
This will have only one. Krishnapani had only one leaf.
Krishnabarni. Krishna means one.
वन वन
Orilla. Orilla means one. Movila means Moona means three.
Thank you.
Malayalam. Stira.
Sthira.
It's the Movila and Orilla variety. Orilla means one leaf.
उस फिर उसमें कृष्ण बरनी कौन सी
Krishnabarni means one leaf. Krishna means one and it is Orilla. And Stira it is of Shalabarni. It is Movila.
3 leaves.
3 leaves are there.
ये शालपति
This is Movila. Orilla.
Orilla. One leaf.
कृष्ण बरनी और वो छोटा वाला था तीन वाला वो
This will have only one. Krishnapani had only one leaf.
Krishnabarni. Krishna means one.
वन वन
Orilla. Orilla means one. Movila means Moona means three.
Thank you.
Malayalam.
Pachoji.
Pachogi, Rodra.
Lodhra.
सिम्प्लोकोस
In your Viva, they ask you the scientific name, so you remember.
उतना ही पढ़ते हैं हम तो उतना ही
Lodhra.
कौन सी है इसीलिए
Lodhra birds directly comes off, or it has to be scraped.
खराब हुआ
The bark of
खंड शंकर भी शर्कश ही होता है ना?
हाँ ऐसे ही सेम दिखते हैं
हाँ.
Kalkandam. We call it Kalkandam.
This is Sandava.
This is Saindava itself. I don't think this is... अल्ले.
सैंदव उसमें पानी कैसे है
हाँ, जल तो हो जाता है ना. लवन में तो जल और अग्नि ही रहता है.
there are many varieties
This is of salt. Saindava.
Saindava, Vida. What is this? Krishna. Panchalavana.
Depending, there's a variety of salt.
Nya.
Sagnimanda.
Agnimanda.
Agnimanta.
Vanamanta Dashamoli.
अग्निवंत
This plant is in the front of the college.
वो थे वो यहाँ पे ऐसा ग्रीन हाँ हाँ स्मॉल ऐसा ग्रीन डार्क ग्रीन
This is excellent for Shroto Shodhanam. Very dry one. Agnimantha. They say that when you rub the things, you get Agni.
इसीलिए उसका नाम क्लेरोडेंड्रम फ्लामिडिस
But it is gone.
If I think Musta grinding. Musta.
Oh, Musta.
പൊടിച്ചതിന് എന്താ പറയാ പൊടിച്ചതിന് ഗ്രൈൻഡിങ്
Powder.
which is for medicinal purposes.
I understand. This is
क्या है मैम वो?
There is a synonym on Grandilam. No,
Grandilam, yeah.
ग्रंथिला भी बोला था ना दिव्या मैम ने कल के लेक्चर में ग्रंथिला.
What is you mean?
No, for that also
There is a heaviness in the.
The flow is not going.
Yeah.
and also for cleaning breast milk also.
As a shodhana, like.
Ksheerabaga.
श्रोत शोधला.
Shrota Shodhana, so it will do.
I don't know exactly.
It's also
Say
used
the
for Jara, Musta Papadageshwari, Sagyaushada for Jara.
समथिंग डिफरेंट.
There is a brown color, Saitama.
हाँ थोड़ा रेडिश ब्राउन कलर थोड़ा होते पूरा वाइट है. देखो ना
Indupu.
so I'll explain the procedure. No, maybe in preparation. I love preparation. Maybe someone is ready to sacrifice their life. You can see the difference now. Before it was different paga. Now it will be. I have been telling the 3 stages of pagam na. So she is saying that this is the second pagam. Where it will be rolling. The kalka will be rolling. Ma'am, only ഇത് കുറച്ച് Madhuka indica or Madhuka lanceolia.
They make
മലയാളം അറിയാം
Okay. Ask her. I am asking how long she has to do that.
അതായത് അവൾ എത്ര നേരം അങ്ങനെ we have to make it very fine. There are some
കുറച്ച് ഇതുണ്ടായി
coarse powders there. We have to make it very fine. So until it gets fine, we have to do it.
And the water will remain, right? The water part will remain.
വെള്ളം ഭാഗം നിൽക്കില്ലേ, അതായത് നല്ല പേസ്റ്റ് ആവും.
എണ്ണ ഭാഗം
It will remain like oil itself.
Only thing the powdery part will become finer.
And it will mix very well.
Yes. Good.
Copper. This is also copper man. This is Vimala. No, this is Vimala. This is Shilajit. No, what they are saying? This is not Shilajit. Many of the things I think.
this is actually wrong. It was kept
It is wrong.
It was kept there.
It is not Shilajit. This is Vimala. I don't buy it.
Here it's very rare to get all those good quality substances like this.
Yes, it's generally in the Himalayan belt.
Yeah.
And this is I used to know this one. I forgot.